The uncertainty plots were fixed and updated in the latest version of RockSim Pro. These charts allow you to view the splash patterns of many simulations in different ways. The RockSim Landing Chart is a simple XY chart showing all the projected landing points for each one of the uncertainty simulations as well as the nominal landing point. Each dot on the screen represents the landing location of a simulation. When you click on a dot, RS Pro now brings up what the initial conditions would have been for the rocket to land at that point. The other way to display this is on an aerial map in Google Earth. Clicking on the new place will focus the map on the launch location. Zooming in, you can see the trajectory as well as each of the uncertainty landing points. Clicking on the points will bring up the information about that landing point, and in the case of the uncertainty points, it will also display the initial conditions that would cause the rocket to land at that spot.